Amanda. We're from Remedy Pilates and Massage here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and today we're going to talk a little post-baby. So what we want to talk about primarily is how our bodies change after or during pregnancy. A lot of times, most of the time, we get longer, weak ab muscles in the front and our backs get short and tight because gravity is pulling us forward. So what we want to demonstrate today with Amanda is a little bit of information on how you hold or work in a neutral spine. So I could have Amanda do crunches, basic crunches, where she would just come up and down and kind of move in and out with her back. So her back can either stay pressed down into the mat, or you can see here she's lifting up and coming back down. There's going to be some ab work going on here, and she's going to have to do quite a few reps to make that effective, but she'll still get some work out of it. But if you want to be a little more efficient in your ab work and get those abs back to the tone they were before you had a baby, then we can focus a little more on a neutral spine. So what she's going to do is take what we call her T-point, and that's basically the base of her sternum. So right around this area, or right around where your bra strap is, she's going to push that into the mat, nice and heavy. Usually when you do that, the tailbone wants to curl under, or your hips go posterior. So she's going to demo a nice deep posterior tilt. So that's going to flatten her low back out, which we don't want to do because we want her back to be involved in her work, because that's part of her core. It's part of her transverse abs, her multifidus, all the things that really work to make her body back into a powerhouse that it is. So she's going to keep the tailbone anchored as well. So you can cue it as a 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock, or in your head kind of imagine those 2 points. And then when she bows up, she's going to actually keep the space, or keep that tension on the mat from her T-point as well as from her tailbone. And then she's going to keep a little space under her low back, almost just enough for ladybugs to crawl under. She can stay here, and she can take her legs up into a tabletop position, which is going to have her knees even with her hips and her shins even with her knees. She can bring her head down and up, but her control is going to happen right here from the ribs. So the chin's not going to draw into the chest anymore. She's just going to imagine bowing up, exhaling her breath, and releasing back down. Nice work, Amanda. Thank you.